Due to the outside work and commitments, my skin usually gets beat up. This is how I maintain my skin and hair routine, and here is my secret. With Nutribs Herbal Shampoo, I get strong and long hair. I get 6 times advantage with Amla, Brahmi, Aloe Vera, Shigekai, Kalonji and Bringraj. After a quick hair wash, I use Nutribs Herbal Conditioner, which has 4 times advantage and helps me to reduce the breakage and split ends. This has Amla, Shigekai, Gundal and Kalonji. After that, I quickly wash my face with Nutribs Herbal Facewash. This has Tulsi Green Tea, Ashwagandha, Haldi, which gives your skin a newborn experience. I recommend you to use it twice a day for good results. After 5 to 10 minutes, I quickly rinse the conditioner off my hair and quickly dry it. After a quick towel dry, let's see what's up. For a luxurious bouncy hair feel, I use Nutribs Hair Serum. This strengthens my hair strands and reduces frizziness. This is enriched with botanical herbs Nariala, almond, neem, rosemary for luxurious bouncy hair. And after that, I use Nutribs Sunscreen Pink Glow Lotion, which has UVA, UVB, SPF 30 and UV protection. This has aloe vera, green tea and badam. And there you have it. You can see the major difference all by yourself. That's not all. It has no animal testing and 100% natural ingredients, 100% recyclable packing, and it's paraben free. So why wait? Go buy it. Nutribs, nutrition, beauty and supplement.